Andela, agaramado. Agaramado.
Takil mabuka.
Thank you, Ponel Maboka.
Hi guys.
Kailangan si Jeff munang papasok.
Sa akin, kailangan niya.
Oh, good. Ikaw, ginakan mo, no? Di na ka mo chat. Di na ka mo. Pwede matitira yung tatat ko. Puno ka dyan. Gundo?
Ala ka, ang bagang
Adi na may maulanan, adi na maabot baha.
Ah, pag
Yayay. Yayay.
Uy, dapat to ng engineer.
Architect. Architect ko, Rabio sa architect. Architect, saan si engineer? Saan si engineer? Si engineer.
That's engineer.
Architect, Jazz Miguel Calio.
Kundi kasi yung barnit niya. Yung video na architect. Ah, parang nakahin. Video ka rin.
di ako an architect.
Architect.
Labor.
Foreman. Foreman tiya mo na.
Labor. Tagamasa.
Engineer niyo. Kawai.
Anong bulan?
Bonga Baptist. Kuruan. Ganda no, malawak na.
Ganda nga ninyo, ano?
Nandra tayo mo kasa.
So ano?
Kuryente, si Kere ka mo kuryente, pichi lang.
Basta asa lang bira wala kuryente kay alborota namin si man.
Pichi lang.
Telet, kami lagi ngingit.
Ganggang tuloy. Gan. Nakita sa sapatos. Pero ang gulo yun.
Sabi ng Panginoon kay David, you're a bloody man. You shed blood. You killed a lot of people. So, yung desire niya to build the temple of the Lord, hindi talaga natupad. Pero natupad to sa kanyang anak na si King Solomon. So, the temple was built according to the Bible, with all the specifics and design. If you just read it, so magnificent. Di man siguro presigunan eh. Pero, salamat ka nanay. Church, physical church, where the body of Christ can worship Him and serve their talents to God and to each other. You know, after that, the temple that was built by King Solomon was destroyed when the Babylonians conquered Israel and destroy the temple. It was ruined. And thank God that King Darius, no, he allowed the people of Israel, those elements, na bumalik sa ilang lugar, babalik sa kanilang lugar. And first thing na nila nakita nito is the ruin of their city. The walls, guba, ang temple, which is ang pinakasakit sa ilaan, guba. And that is why the people decided to rebuild the temple. Kung titingnan natin, if you read the book of Ezra,